Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless everyone, greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know me always as health over wealth. Your health is your wealth, so take care of it. See? Alright, my people, big up Flitters Boss Raga Ruggie. You know me always put Raga Ruggie on the platform, you know. Because the brother have the talent and the man energy and very entertaining. See? Yeah, and I'm a brother differently. We got the whole Frog City, we got the whole Painland, we got the whole Kingston 11, 12, 13, right back the whole Jamaica. You see me? Now my people, watch a performance from Raga Ruggie, Brixton Splash. We got the pastor too, and the pastor. But after the break, don't go nowhere.
Come to Livefoot TV at the right place, and so don't go nowhere.
The Jamaica Association of Montreal proudly presents Jam Showcase COVID-19 edition, Saturday, July 18th at 7 p.m. sharp. You don't need a mask and there's no entrance fee. Just log on to the Jamaica Association of Montreal Facebook page and follow the link. This is a jam-packed showcase with artists like Royalty, Prophecy Isis, Kayla Allen, Sampalu, Juliet Nelson, Dan Fire Beats, Miss Diva, Richie Flow, H0rn, Desi Ranks, Donna Makida, Ras Morgan, Jade Fade, Tony Anthony, Loshi Banton, Tally, Dan Mafia, Edge Michael, and Mama Coffee. For more information, call 514-737-8229. This is what Desi Ranks say. This is a bad show. Police will pull me over.
Mix me, if you're not married, don't go to Brixton. Police out there with dog and immigration. Let's go.
Are you a madman?
Oh no, wait. Bum. Yeah. Raga. Pastar there.
Shut up. What is it? Girls, I'm sing be a nice song for them. If like we really run away, we find songs for them. We have 16,000. Girls, them sing be a nice song for them. If like a beast, we have a white song for them. Hey girl, H0rn Pastar inviting y'all to my church. I don't know the way you look there, nigga, they not there, man. Get it.
Do you remember him?
Tune after tune, it's after it's.
And in that
Jump up and twist, and go a little. Round us.
Vauxhall Market.
Vauxhall Market. Vauxhall Market. Some
Oh, it's a Vauxhall Market.
Hey.
Come on,
Vauxhall Market.
Hold on now.
Anybody got Vauxhall Market? Go on.
Live that for me love and me life father. In the end of me wait up the straight father. Touch the road but me like never have a father. That's the way me a feel like a restaurant father. And I put a cousin in the father. Cause I live in it again father. You don't see it here that one. Hey, Raga, you talk to them man.
Get him.
You want thing my crib?
Go Vauxhall Market.
Hey, look!
Vauxhall Market.
More than the whole of Jamaica.
Vauxhall Market.
Yo, you want thing my crib?
Go Vauxhall Market.
What's that in?
Go Vauxhall Market.
What's that shit?
Vauxhall Market. Vauxhall Market.
Be a mosquito?
Go Vauxhall Market.
And fake Louis?
Go Vauxhall Market.
Enough top man, me say.
Vauxhall Market.
Enough top girl.
Vauxhall Market.
See you Raga Ruggie there, man.
Vauxhall Market.
Come on, Vauxhall.
Vauxhall Market.
Yo.
Pull up that.
Yo. On the car over, where I go, come. That's a station where they talk.
Call over. If you want Raga Ruggie again, say more.
My uncle.
Raga Ruggie again, say more. You want him to climb up there? Pop down on stage.
Number one.
Raga Ruggie, they want Shalaman. Alright, engineer. Hello everybody, Brixton Splash, Mad Move. We're the King Star. You see the next song, the next CD was the H0rn Pastar. Run the third track on that. Yeah. We love the turnout Brixton. Shoo, shoo, shoo. And the third one that. And the third one that. And the third one that. Alright. Speed it up, speed it up. Them have it on nobody, them have it on nobody. Oh, they come in at the Brixton Flash category when them have it on nobody. Them have it on nobody. Feed it up, play why them the red Brixton. Them on nobody, them have it on nobody. Oh, you're jumping at the Brixton Flash category. You have it on nobody, you have it on nobody. Shoo, 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 shoo. Hey boy, I can't MG and I saw this side you. If you ever get up in the boss right you want no more country so them boy you cry no. And I be afraid get people that inspire. You're acting like a groupie. Lava, lava, lava.
Yo, I'm never finished now, one there. But you ready again? Brixton. Yo, me have to give thanks to me love and me life, Father. The earth and me west and me strength, Father. Touch the road, Babylon never come there, Father. Ask me where me have to black and red, Father. I don't put the cuss in a guitar song. Hey, cause I lick it again, Father. Father, give thanks to me here and rasta. Hey, Brixton. Oh, look good, let me have a ball. Look at now your mouth. Oh, look good, let me have a Simon. Come on, you're going to be your mouth. Good, 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 good. Good, 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 good. South London, South London, West London. Next track, number 3. Next track, number 3. Next track. Big up, you know. Mark, big up, shoot. Yo, 1 minute. I just tell it to bless myself. Oh, no, next one. All of them look out there, can you scream? Yes, that one. Speed it up. Brixton. Over here, sir. Hello, over here, sir. Yo. Over here, sir. Hello, yo. Over here, sir. What? On the field. All right. Brixton, no afraid of no cocaine boy. Bandit junkie, and they take my junkie boy. This bad man, I think you're a big boy. Hello, that's my gun on your head. Why? Brixton, no afraid of no cocaine boy. Run the junkie and take my junkie boy. This bad man, hey, you in the dead. Hey, this thing on the head, boy. Try pass the fool, let me stop and go. This I never fit dead or something like that. Who don't get that head bust? Like a coconut. If you hear get up, you try to fight me. Sure. You a fair boy, you couldn't stop me. Sure. Don't be charity that me have me money. Father God has made me. Got Brixton afraid and the cocaine boy. Run the junkie and take my junkie boy. This bad man, you in a dead boy. You must sing it, I hear boy. Come and tell them, Brixton afraid and the cocaine boy. Run the junkie and take my junkie boy. This bad man, you know in that Brixton Flash. Give them 10 star. 10 star. Me and my son is kill dog, kill Jack. That come kill me, that come no kill Salah. Murder them. Let's kill out of Brixton. Put them right back, thank you. Nicky J, Kunta and Bar Angel. Ready to send them food, they go back to hell. Tell you, Nick, she got the new recruit. Now, tell them, so you're ready to... Me not bet, not pump, and not pretty from the best Rastafari. Them pretty to the nitty-gritty, hey, they must think with me. What a real man. Yo, what a calamity, what a them like this. It's a Raga, Ruggie, and the Pastar. Disciple with it. Click it, Brixton, Flash. Afraid of no cocaine, boy. Brixton! Brixton! All the Pastar, the disciples, man. All the feeling! Yeah! Keep it going!
What you saying for the dancehall crew? Raga, Ruggie, H0rn Pastar, and I worry more. Put your hands together for the Brixton dancehall crew. Come on, man, Brixton. Rough it up better than that, you understand?
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, become myself, my kings and cream, lion and my lioness. That's how Raga Ruggie shell the thing. That's how Raga Ruggie climb up on all the pole, the stage pole and all them things. Yeah. A long time Raga Ruggie do that. See? Energy. Raga Ruggie lie out all the mirror a long time. That's why I hear people used to say an elephant man take Raga Ruggie image and style. See? A long time Raga Ruggie do that. And me as a youth I watch Raga Ruggie long time before me even start singing. You see me? I sing from in a school and church, but as a youth in the teens, you watch Raga Ruggie shell on the stage show, them out with the show for the big artists them. You get what me I say? The last big show we keep a paying land by some bike. You know a bike crew where them going on be a robbery, be a big robbery. Them man don't do petty robbery. Some of them dead off by police and some of them crash and dead. Be a bike them on the road. See? Man, them keep a big stage show with Capleton them and Sizzler them come pain and come shell it down. And I say shell down, big strong stage, man, them mash it down. Them time Capleton them and mash down the whole of the stage them. See, in 2018 with that Capleton the other man them raise and I say, Fireman, remember the show where you come up pain and the man say, yo! That show them, I love watch but that show they got one of the greatest show that we enjoy. I say, be a shutter bus. Be a shutter bus and the man them feel sweet. I'm there at the building with the bubble them. Yo, I say, Raga Ruggie. You see, Raga Ruggie climb up on all the building them and I swing off and wine. The girl them love Raga Ruggie, so. And I know Raga Ruggie do this. Raga Ruggie entertain long time. Saying, big up the H0rn Pastar, big up Lava. So I say, Brixton Splash, big up H0rn, Sata, Kirky, Mr. Biggs, Didi, everybody, big up. So I say, Cola Ballet, our place. So I say, Gaga British, big up yourself, Spice, everything nice. And so I get to me and say, yeah man, a unity in our community and live good. Raga Ruggie, big up yourself, it as boss. All them lioness, I don't know. Big up on yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Make someone else watch and hear. Peace and love. I'm out.
Them know it, Empire Selassie, the Almighty Creator. Judgment in our own.